Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to embed an image in Illustrator. So let's get started the video. Open the image you want to embed. Now click on Window and select Links from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear. Now in the link section, select the image and click on these three lines. Now click on Embed Images. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.